I'm Sarayu, and I always wanted to choose where I live. Being a single parent and with a daughter living away from the country, I know it is not easy for me to move and start living with her. I was looking at probably Coimbatore and some other properties in OMR. I was not very convinced because I felt it was missing in some facilities and it was all too old. I'm looking for something new when I start living. Then, yes, I don't have to cook. So that's a very big plus. I can choose to cook. And I also like the interiors, the layout with all the facilities, thinking ahead of what a senior person would require. Cultural activities, I think that is still a very added feature, keeping us young in our minds. That would kind of interest me, pick my competitive spirit, which I kept it low all these days. I know I have started it early because it was a very appealing project. So why miss an opportunity? Opportunity knocks once. So I just took it up.